Toby and the Brave Vacuum Cleaners. In a small, sunny house lived a sweet baby boy named Toby. Toby loved to play, giggle, and crawl around with his teddy bear. But there was one thing he really didn't like. Vroom vroom. The sound of the vacuum cleaner. "Wara!" cried Toby, diving under his blanket. The vacuum made such a loud noise. But what Toby didn't know was, the vacuum wasn't scary at all. Her name was Vivi. She was soft, shiny, and loved to help. Vivi lived in the closet with her vacuum cleaner friends. Dusty, the fastest zoomer in town. Sparkle, elegant with glitter and bows. Bump Bump, the clumsy one who always bumped into furniture. And of course, kind and careful Vivi. One sunny afternoon, the vacuums had a fun idea. Dusty says, "Vroom vroom, I'm gonna win this time." Bump Bump says, "Oops, I bumped into the mop bucket again." They lined up at the hallway like race cars. And then, zoom, they were off. Toby peeked out from under his blanket. He watched as Vivi gently cleaned his playroom, humming a happy tune. "Hello, Toby, don't be scared. I'm just helping clean your toys." Toby blinked. Vivi was nice. Not scary at all. He smiled. Then giggled. Then clapped. He watched the vacuums zoom and spin and sparkle all around the house. At the end of the race, Vivi had cleaned the most rooms. She won the trophy, but all the vacuums cheered together. From that day on, Toby wasn't scared anymore. He loved cleaning time, danced with the vacuums, and even gave Vivi a sticker for being a good helper. And every night before bed, Toby smiled at the sound of the vacuum, knowing it was just his brave, helpful friend, keeping the house cozy and clean.